How are you all, beautiful people? Please join us as we celebrate my daughter's 19th birthday with the whole family before she went back to college again in St. Louis, Missouri. After the girls' day out we did in the morning, we all went home and she thought that's our last birthday celebration for her. We told her it's time for her to rest and relax because this is going to be our last night with her, and the next day she will have to go back to Missouri for her college. But she didn't know that my husband and I decided to surprise her for her birthday and to have a see you next time gathering. Since she will have to go back to St. Louis again, we're all gonna be sad and we will miss her so much. That's why even though it's raining hard outside, we all decided to travel at least 20 minutes going to Cabot since the bowling center inside the Air Force Base was closed during this time. But hey, nothing can stop us as long as all of our families are together. It will always be worth it.
Nice, James! High five! Kaya ka na, Isabel! Yes, high five!
They have a lot of selection of food inside and we loved it. It's actually my first time to go to this bowling alley since we don't go much anywhere since we have one inside the Air Force Base near our house. This bowling alley is actually a really nice place to bowl. For sure you guys will love it here also. The place is so nice and clean and people are really so friendly. The only issue is that our kids didn't enjoy much the slippery floor when they played. I guess they're just used to playing bowling near our house. Alright guys, time to celebrate my daughter's birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Ate Jay! Happy birthday to you! Okay, blow! Okay! Thank you, Paul! I wish you guys were here!
I hope we made our only daughter super happy and made this event memorable, something she'll remember and miss also when she gets back to college.